Hi everyone, once again, this is Pooch Hunter. Okay, for today's video, yung ihahunt natin is animals again. Okay, animals na naman. Yes, and these animals start with letter I. Because tapos na kayo sa EFG. H, tapos na tayo sa H. No? Kaya I na naman tayo. This animal start with letter I. Okay. Guess mo na? Alam na ninyo? Okay. Wag ko na ipaliwanag yung image niya or yung physical niya dahil parang alam na ninyo eh. Maraming I na animals. Okay. Kaya bigay ko na ang konting hint. The size of these animals is 4 to 6 yung length, including the tail. Oh, may tail para, may buntot. Okay. Then, the male are usually large than female. Okay, mas malaki yung lalaki kaysa babae. Then, the color nito, the color of this animal is bright green when young. Bright green when young, fading to green, gray, or brown with age. Okay, nagbabago yung color niya pag tumatanda na siya. Okay, the color will change when this animal become older. Okay, the body structure, no? The body structure of this animal, the head. Okay, the head is triangular shaped, no, with strong jaws, strong jaws and sharp teeth. Okay, and the eyes of these animals. Ito, yung mata niya, yung mata ng animals na to. Pag nakatutok sa iyo, takot ka, tatakbo ka talaga. Okay? Because nakakatakot yung mata nito. And the eyes of these animals is sharp vision. Sharp talaga. Nakakatakot to. Yung pagtitignan ka lang niya. Katakot. Sharp vision. No? And can detect shapes and movement from a distance. No? Kahit malayo ka, pag naririnig na niya yung tunog ng yung paa mo, alam na niya na nandyan ka. Matkuha ka sa tingin. And the skin of these animals is rough skin. Yung skin niya is rough. And the tail, the animals have tail. Okay? The animal for today have tail. May buntot. May tail yung animal na to. yung animals na to is half tail, okay? Long, the tail is long, muscular. Long and muscular. Okay. Used for balance, no? The tail for these animals used for balance, swimming, and defense. Yan. And ang animals na to is can climb and can swim. Ang animals na to have strong legs. No? Strong legs. Malakas yung legs ng animals na to, malakas. Okay. Tayo na. And baka maano pa ako dito. Yung mga hint ko, madulas pa ako, masabi ko pa yung pangalan ng animal natin ngayon. Pero may isa pa para mas ma-exciting kayo, para mas makuha ninyo kung ano yung klaseng animals for today's video, no? Ito yung pinaka-hint niya. Itong animals na to daw. May buntot, 'di ba? They have tail, may buntot sila. Then, pag yung buntot na yan, pag yung buntot ng animals na to, Pag yan naputol, ay, alam mo na, pag naputol yung buntot ng animals na to, alam mo ba anong mangyayari sa putol na buntot? Buntot niya. Gumaganon yung buntot ng animals na to pag naputol. Oh, di ba? Hindi siya namamatay. Hindi namamatay ang animals, hindi na namamatay ang animals na to pag naputol yung buntot niya. Putol yung buntot niya, pero siya galaw. Yung buntot niya naputol, pero yung animals na to gumagalaw, buhay. 100% buhay ang animals na to kahit wala siya, kahit naputol yung buntot niya. At yung buntot niya gumagalaw kahit naputol. Diba? Yan ang animals natin for today. Exciting to yung animals for today. Naputol yung buntot pero gumagalaw yung buntot, naputol pero yung animals for today buhay pa rin kahit putol yung buntot niya. Diba? Then ang nakakatuwa pa nito, naputol yung buntot niya. Babalik yung buntot niya. Hindi mo maibalik yung buntot niya, pero yung naputol yung buntot, pero hindi pala babalik. Naputol yung buntot niya, tutubo ulit yung naputulang buntot. No? Pag naputol yung buntot ng animals na to, tutubo ulit yung buntot na yon. Kahit tigulang na siya, kahit may edad na siya, naputol yung buntot niya. Don't worry, naputol yung buntot nito. Don't worry dahil tutubo yan. Kaya pag naputol ang buntot ng animals for today, huwag kang mag-alala dahil tutubo yan. Pero may pero. Pero yung buntot na tutubo sa kanya is hindi na same, hindi na parehas sa buntot na naputol. Mas maganda yung naputol. Yung tutubo is hindi na maganda siguro. Hindi ko alam baka. Basta tutubo yung buntot pero hindi na daw. Same as sa naputol. Okay. Di ba? Very fun fact sa animals na to yung istorya niya. Yung characteristic niya. May mga ganun pala. No? So, okay na siguro. Parang wag na natin ituloy yung video, no? Dito na lang. Wag na natin ituloy sa video ko. Yung inedit ko na video na about sa animals for today dahil anong oras na? Wag na. Dito na lang. Joke lang. Okay, let's go. And I hope as always, na may matutunan kayo for today's video about animal's hand. Okay, let's go at titignan na natin and let's watch my video about animal's hunt. Start with letter I. If you enjoy this kind of content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.
What are iguanas? Iguanas are a type of reptile belonging to the lizard family. They are part of the genus Iguana and are most commonly found in Central and South America, as well as in the Caribbean. Iguana's characteristics. Size can grow up to 5 to 7 feet, including the tail. Color, often green but can also be brown, gray, or even blue depending on the species and habitat. Diet, mostly herbivorous. They eat leaves, fruits, and flowers. Behavior, arboreal. They live in trees, good swimmers, and typically bask in the sun to regulate their body temperature. Fun fact, iguanas can drop their tails. When threatened by predators, many iguanas can detach their tails as a defense mechanism. This is called autotomy. The tail keeps wriggling after it falls off, distracting the predator and giving the iguana time to escape. And don't worry, they can regrow the tail over time, although the new one might not look exactly the same.
Where do you go? I hide in trees or move down low. Sometimes fast, sometimes slow. I follow where the breezes blow. Cold in the morning, warm in the sun. I lie on a rock, it's so much fun. Blink, blink, blink my eyes. Happy under sun. good night. Iguana, iguana, what do you do? I climb the trees and I peek at you. I wiggle my tail, I blink my eye. I sit on a branch and watch the sky. Climb, climb, climb so high, green and slow up to the sky. Tail goes swish, feet go tap. Iguana takes a jungle nap. Iguana, iguana, what do you eat? I munch on leaves, they're such a treat. I crunch and munch the whole day through. I even eat a flower or two. Munch, munch, munch all day, eating leaves the lizard way. Tail goes swish, feet go tap. Iguana takes a jungle nap. Iguana, iguana, where do you go? I hide in trees or move down low. Sometimes fast, sometimes slow. I follow where the breezes blow. Cold in the morning, warm in the sun. I lie on a rock, it's so much fun. Blink, blink, blink my eyes, happy under sunny skies. Climb, climb, climb so high, green and slow up to the sky. Tail goes swish, feet go tap. Iguana takes a jungle nap. Iguana, iguana, green and bright, sleepy now, good night, good night. Iguana, iguana, green and bright, sleepy now, good night, good night. Iguana, iguana, green and bright, sleepy now, good night, good night. Iguana, iguana, what do you do? I climb in trees and I peek at you. I wiggle my tail, I blink my eye, sit on a branch and watch the sky. Climb, climb, climb so high, green and slow up to the sky. Tail goes swish, feet go tap. Iguana takes a jungle nap. Iguana, iguana, what do you eat? I munch on leaves, they're such a treat. I crunch and munch the whole day through. I even eat a flower too. Munch, munch, munch all day, eating leaves the lizard way.